Yo, what's going on today, guys? We're back here in my garage and I picked up a new Project Civic that you guys might want to check out. So for a while now, I've been wanting to pick something up that I could work on and just take my time with, not rush anything or have to drive it daily. So, you know, after flip-flopping plans forever and trying to work on my daily as a project, it just doesn't work. So I came across a pretty decent deal and I went ahead and made the effort of purchasing the new Project Civic. So the new Project Civic is a 92 EG hatch with a B series. It is a B18C, a GSR engine and transmission with a Type R LSD. The rear quarters were cut out and re-welded in with new ones. Oh, nice. The old ones weren't even that bad, honestly. I saw pictures, there's just some speckling. I've seen this car before that even happened. And door handle's been shaved, both sides. Since the door handle's been shaved on this, how it works is there's a key fob. And when you click a button on here, like so, they actuate and open, so which is neat. I'm gonna give it a cold start. This is what the exhaust we got going on here. I think it says Medallion. I haven't. Yeah, there we go. Ah, it sounds pretty good. Came with a sweet hitch, which is sweet. I haven't come to the conclusion of what I want to do yet, paint or vinyl wrap, but it's such a tough call because, I mean, there's pros and cons for each of them, for sure. I mean, I might know a guy or two that paints, might be able to get a decent deal, but I don't know. But basically, I'm just gonna do the prep work to save money, and it's like pretty much already there. I didn't have to do majority of the work, but it's been sitting around for a few years, so I figured I could touch up a few little spots that has happened since then. So let's go in and take a look at the inside of the vehicle. GSR interior, leather seats, front and rear, but only the driver's seat's in right now. Energy quick release with locking hub. I don't have the keys with me, they're inside. Got the Momo Ray steering wheel. Just mounts right up there with the lock off. Interior is super clean. Dash super clean. All the interior is out except the driver's seat and the dash, obviously. So all the interior is just piled in back there. I got all sorts of goodies in there. The whole thing's been dyno-matted. Just all sorts of little neat stuff with this vehicle that came with it. That was done all very nicely, which is very neat. Nothing done really hacked on it. So which is nice. I had a 1999 EK Civic Coupe, and it was put together like crap. It had a same engine in it, a B series GSR, GSR trains, basically the same engine. And it was just the wiring, the harness, everything was just fixing one thing after another, which became a nightmare, but I still had like tons of fun with the car, and I learned all sorts of things just from owning that car. So with everything put together nice on this one, should make my life a lot easier, and I can learn the right way because it's already done right. So, which is nice. I got all sorts of plans for this vehicle, so just let me know what you think. Paint, vinyl wrap. Thing about vinyl wrap, it's like this ugly color green, so the jams, everything like that's going to be, you know, visible. And you know, I mean, this red right behind me, I have another headliner interior, just that's fine. All the red in here is going to be gone. But this is super clean, no rust. You know, maybe just like a few speckles on like stupid stuff underneath, obviously, but no rust on the body whatsoever, which is sweet. So basically that's where I'm at. There's a few goodies on the engine. I think there's just some bigger injectors. It's tuned. Nothing too crazy. I think there's a bigger fuel pump. Also, once I get it painted, I can get the interior all back together, which it'll be a whole new car at that point, which is sweet. Just a few steps away from that. Also, once I get that done, plans to order some turbo stuff and engine management, all sorts of goodies. I'm ready for it. Send this little B series down the road and have some fun. Can't wait to get it out and ripping. I just been daily in my 8th gen basically, so, but I'm all about it. Make sure you comment, see what other things you want to see in the throw out the EG. Pretty pumped. I always wanted an EK hatch, but EG followed its way to me. Also, I was gonna do a K series, but this night, you know, I wasn't really expecting to find a B-swapped EG hatch around here. So, pretty good deal. I jumped on it. And I wanted a project anyway. I was kind of tired of sitting around. It's kind of fun. Give me some content. Hopefully you guys like it. You guys get to see this, you know, EG hatch go from ugly green to whatever color, and, you know, to naturally aspirated to turbo, because I'm doing it. Like, this is it. This is my car to do it with. It's not my daily. It's a project vehicle. I got plans for it, so that's for sure, which is sweet. So I'm pretty hyped on that. So make sure you hit like and, you know, subscribe. Ripstreet. Check out the other S2000 video. It's pretty funny. It's a little more entertaining than this one. This one's just kind of letting you know what's been going on. New project for the channel. Yeah. So take it easy, y'all.